Hello, welcome back. I'm Sarah, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about countries, nationalities, and languages. Example, I'm from Spain. I speak Spanish. I'm Spanish. If you want to study with me, you can find me on Preply and book a trial lesson with me. I would love to help you. Now let's listen to this conversation. It's a conversation between Ali and Sarah. Let's go.
Ali, let's talk about famous people from different countries.
Great idea. I like learning about countries and languages.
Do you know Taylor Swift?
Yes, Taylor Swift is from the USA. She is American.
What language does she speak?
She speaks English.
How about Germany? Do you know Diane Kruger?
Yes, Diane Kruger is from Germany. She is German.
What language does she speak?
She speaks German and English.
Nice. Let's talk about France.
Sure, Marion Cotillard is from France. She is French.
And she speaks French, right?
Yes, she speaks French and English.
What about Italy?
Monica Bellucci is from Italy. She is Italian.
She speaks Italian and English.
That's right.
Do you know a famous person from Spain?
Yes, Penelope Cruz is from Spain. She is Spanish.
She speaks Spanish and English.
Exactly.
Let's go to India now.
Shah Rukh Khan is from India. He is Indian.
What language does he speak?
He speaks Hindi and English.
How about China?
Jackie Chan is from China. He is Chinese.
He speaks Chinese and English.
Yes.
And Japan?
Rinko Kikuchi is from Japan. She is Japanese.
She speaks Japanese and English.
That's correct.
Let's talk about Africa.
Trevor Noah is from South Africa. He is South African.
He speaks English.
Yes.
What about Russia?
Maria Sharapova is from Russia. She is Russian.
She speaks Russian and English.
Right.
Finally, Argentina.
Lionel Messi is from Argentina. He is Argentinian.
He speaks Spanish.
Wow, people around the world speak many languages.
Yes, and learning countries and nationalities is fun.
I agree. This is very useful for learning English.
First, I use the country, the nationality, and third, the language. I'm from the USA. I'm American. I speak English. So, the pattern is I'm from Spain. I'm Spanish. I speak Spanish and English. Easy, right? Now let's learn some important vocabulary from the dialogue. Germany. I'm from Germany. I'm German. I speak German. France. I'm from France. I'm French. I speak French. Italy. I'm from Italy. I'm Italian. I speak Italian. Spain. I'm from Spain. I'm Spanish. I speak Spanish. China. I'm from China. I'm Chinese. I speak Chinese. India. I'm from India. I'm Indian. I speak Hindi. Japan. I'm from Japan. I'm Japanese. I speak Japanese. Russia. I'm from Russia. I'm Russian. I speak Russian. Argentina. I'm from Argentina. I'm Argentinian. I speak Spanish. We can use to be verbs to talk about where we are from and nationalities. For example, I am from Spain. You are from Canada. She is from China. He is from Japan. And also for nationalities, we use to be. I am Spanish. He is Chinese. She is Japanese. But for languages, we can use speak. Speak. I speak Spanish. I speak English. She speaks German. He speaks Chinese. We speak Portuguese. So for language, we use speak. Now it's your turn. Write in the comments, I'm from, I am, I speak. I can't wait to read your answers. I hope you enjoyed this lesson and learned something new today. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with your friends. See you in the next lessons. Goodbye.